Hello and good morning to everyone. This is Devasis Mohanty. Today I am welcoming you all to our similarity of the triangles discussion. So what are the criteria by which we can say it easily that the triangles are similar? Actually in the last days, just like we did the discussion how we can say that the two triangles are congruent, just like SSS criteria, SAS criteria, ASA criteria, AAS criteria, and in the RHS criteria. In the same way, how we can say that the two triangles are similar? How we can say that the two triangles are similar? So here it is few of the criteria which is to be learned just now. Understood and not understood? Remember one thing. Remember one thing. Here it is the rough work I am showing. Everyone you just have to see. Suppose here it is one of the triangle. It is ABC, it is one triangle, and suppose here it is another triangle. Just see, suppose here it is the name of the triangle. It is suppose D, this one it is our E, this one it is our F triangle. Suppose this one it is one triangle, this one it is another triangle, and it is asked to you that you just have to prove that the both the triangles are similar. You all know well that to be similar, polygon to be similar, 100% corresponding angles are equal. Also the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, otherwise in the proportion. So for which, as the triangle belongs to our polygon, so for which one can say that whenever A angle it is equal to D angle, second one it is our B angle, it is equal to our E angle. Third point it is whenever C angle it is our F angle. It means if the corresponding angles are same. And the second point it is if FB divided by DE, it means this one divided by this one, it is same as BC divided by EF, it means this one divided by this one, it is also same as this one divided by this one, it means SC divided by DF. Then after we can say that then triangle ABC I can say it as the similar to triangle DEF. It was said. Actually this one it is the normal rule how we can say that any of the two triangles, how we can say that they are similar. To be similar, corresponding angles are same, compulsorily first point, and second point it is our second point it is as the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, otherwise corresponding sides are in the proportion. Perfectly understood. Okay. Suppose I am giving you this one, it is the one of the point, and this one it is the 2 points. So it means compulsorily 2 points should be satisfied to be similar. But here it is three criteria which we are going to learn about the three of the criteria. And here it is the first criteria says, see just here the first criteria says AAA criteria. So AA criteria it says if the corresponding three angles are same, if the three angles of a triangle it is same as the corresponding three angles of the another triangle, it implies this point. It means if we are taking the first point, it means first point means automatically it will be second point. If the angles are same, if the corresponding angles are same, automatically the sides are in same ratio. It means our triangles are similar. Actually 2 points it is to be shown. But here it says one of the criteria says actually saying the first criteria, it means corresponding angles are same, it means automatically the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Actually first criteria says if we are considering the first one, it means automatically second one, it means automatically we can show it as the second one. It means if we choose the first one, if the three corresponding angles are same, automatically it means the second point, it means corresponding sides are in the same ratio, then after our triangles are similar. So in the first criteria, it is also one of the theorem. So this theorem can be proved that whenever we are considering this one, corresponding angles are same, it means we have to show that the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So then after the two triangles are similar. And the second criteria it is SSS criteria. It means SSS criteria means if the second one it is satisfied, if the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, if the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, it means automatically the angles are same. Angles are same. It means saying above the two, automatically one satisfied. One satisfied means two satisfied, and then after one satisfied, then after we can say that the both the triangles are similar. Talking about U1, if it is same as the talking about 2, then after we can show that the triangles are similar. Second condition is talking about the second criteria, corresponding sides are in the same ratio. If it means corresponding angles are same, and it means first condition satisfied, it means also triangles are similar. This one it is the second condition. And third criteria it is our SAS similarity criteria. It says if this angle, one of the angle it is same as another angles, and with the angles 2 of the included side, and here it is the 2 of the included side. So here this side divided by this side, if it is same as the this side divided by this side, then after also we can call it as the 2 of the triangles are similar. It means 3 criteria of the similarity it is to be discussed and it is to be proved. First one it is if the 3 angles are same, corresponding 3 angles of a triangle it is same as the corresponding 3 angles of the another triangle, it means automatically sides will be in the same ratio, it means triangles are similar. Second point it is our SSS which is to be proved. It means if the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, if the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, it implies, it means corresponding angles are same, so it means triangles are similar. And the last one it is, otherwise third one it is called as your, if one of the angle of a triangle it is same as the another angle of the corresponding angle of the another triangle, and the two included side of this triangle it is also stay in the ratio with the corresponding two sides of the another triangle, then after also we can call both the triangles are similar. Understood? So now we will do the discussion one by one. Just see, just give the attention. So first we will prove our angle similarity criteria. So this one it is called as your angle similarity criteria. Just see. Actually name of this theorem it is called as your angle similarity criteria. So how we have to prove? Actually one of the theorem we have taken on regarding this, and our theorem says, see, see, this one it is one of the triangle, see perfectly, this one it is one triangle, this one we have chosen the another triangle. Suppose name of the triangle it is, this one it is our A, this one it is our B, this one it is C, this one it is our D, this one it is our E, this one it is our F. So two triangles we have chosen, and here it is in this first theorem means criteria 1 how it is to be proved. According to the criteria 1 it is said if the 3 angles of a triangle it is same as otherwise equal to the corresponding 3 angles of the another triangle, it implies corresponding sides are in the same ratio and the two triangles are similar. Otherwise, to be similar, two conditions it is to be required. Corresponding angles are same, corresponding sides will be in the same ratio. Actually, it means we are considering the corresponding angles are same. If corresponding angles are same, it also means the same as corresponding sides are in the ratio. So from the one I have to show that two satisfied. Then after whenever two conditions satisfied, it means I can say that both the triangles are similar to one another. Understood perfectly? See, so from the figure everything it is given. ABC it is one of the triangle, and here it is DEF it is another triangle. From the picture I am showing, see it perfectly. This angle it is same as this angle. Ready? Then after this angle it is same as this angle, and this angle it is same as this angle. Perfectly understood? Actually it is given. Actually it is in the given. So for which we have to prove that it is means this one it is given, we have to prove that the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Actually see, here I am writing, see, in the given here it is, here I have to write A angle it is same as the D angle, B angle it is same as the E angle, C angle it is same as the F angle, it is given. Okay, so then after to prove, see, in the to prove, AB divided by DE it is same as the BC divided by EF, it is same as SC divided by DF. It means this one it is to be proved. Understood or not understood? So for which in the construction view of the work it is to be required. See, so first in the construction we have to do two things. See, AB length it is how much? AB length it is how much? I have to take a point it is at here. Suppose the name of the point it is P. You have to take a P point on the DE in such a way so that AB it is our DP. Understood? And SC length it is how much? Here you have to take another point Q in such a way so that DQ it is same as SC. So then after you just have to join P with the Q. So important thing I said, how much the length of AB, the length of the DP I have chosen in the same way, and how much the length of SC I have chosen in the same length. DQ also I have taken. DQ it is also the same length. Up to this perfectly understood? Up to this perfectly understood? Only in the construction you have to write, as no sufficient space it is there, for which I did not write. But you have to write in the construction, take a point P on the DE such that AB it is same as DP. Then after take a point Q on the DF such that SC it is our DQ. Perfectly understood? Perfectly understood. See, here I am saying you directly, and it is very easy thing I am saying. See, here it is this side, it is same as this side. In the triangle ABC and in the triangle of DPQ, here it is this side, it is same as this side. This side, it is same as this side. And the included angle, this angle, it is same as this angle. This side is same as this side as per the construction. This side is same as this side as per the construction. But this angle it is same as this angle because it is given. What it was given? Because three of the angles it is same as the corresponding three angles of the another triangle. Understood? So for which this triangle, little triangle, it is congruent to this little triangle. So for which in a single line here I am writing, see it perfectly. Triangle ABC. In the proof I am writing. In the proof I am writing triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEQ. According to which criteria? SAS criteria. Understood or not understood? So it means this triangle it is congruent to this triangle. See, as this triangle it is congruent to this triangle, it means this angle it is same as this angle. Why? According to CPCT. And this angle it is same as this angle. According to CPCT. So here I am writing here, see, angle ABC it is same as the angle DPQ, angle DPQ. Then after SCB angle it is same as DQE triangle. Why? According to CPCT. as both the triangles are congruent, so for which corresponding part of this triangle must be same as the corresponding part of this triangle. See one thing, actually previously this angle it was the same as this angle, understood? But now I am getting this angle it is the same as this angle. Previously this one same as this one, now we got this one it is the same as this one. So for which these two are same, for which these two are same, for which these two are same, it means this angle, see it is the same as this angle. For which this one it is same as this one, previously it was given, but now we got after the congruency of the two triangles I got it as this triangle it is the same as this triangle. So it means this angle it is the same as this angle. One it is same as 2, one it is same as 3, so 2 becomes 3, and 2 becomes 3, 2 becomes 3. So for which I can say, just see the situation, see whenever this angle it is same as this angle, it means two corresponding angles are same. Whenever the two corresponding angles are same, remember corresponding angles are same, it means this line it is parallel to this line. The same thing it will happen whenever this one it is same as this one, it means this line it is parallel to this line. Perfectly understood the important point, perfectly understood the important point. So for which here I am erasing this one, and here it is the two of the things also I am erasing, because the space it is not sufficient, and within that much space I have to show you all these things. So for which here the important point I am writing, then after the point I am writing PQ is parallel to EF, PQ is parallel to EF, this one it is parallel to this one. As this one it is parallel to this one, as this one it is parallel to this one, can I write this one? Just see, dp divided by p, dp divided by de, dp by de is equal to dq divided by df. As this one it is parallel to this one, I can write this one by total one it is equal to this one divided by this one, according to Thales theorem. So this one it is the Thales theorem. Understood or not understood? So this one means this one divided by total one it is equal to this one divided by total one. See now I am doing one thing, see important thing and easy thing, in place of a dp, in place of a dp I am writing it as the same as the AB. Why? Because this little triangle it is congruent to this little triangle. As both the triangles are congruent, for which corresponding parts are same, so it means dp it is the same as AB. So for which in place of a dp I am writing it as the AB divided by de, it is the same as dq means SC divided by df. On the right side I am writing CPCT, as both the triangles are congruent, for which I wrote just like this. Understood or not understood? So this one I am taking it as the equation 1, this one I am taking it as the equation 1. See one thing, actually in the last example, see last example, just see ABC and here it is DF, AB I copy to this one and AC I copy to this one, but I did not copy the BC on the EF. Suppose in the another figure I am doing just like this. Suppose the copy style I will do just like this. See, suppose here it is the DF and AB it is how much? Here it is EP, it is the same. EP it is the same as AB, and here it is another point I am taking it as the R. Another point I am taking it as the R, and this length it is the same as suppose this length. So it means this one I can draw one of the line. So in that case, suppose I will take this situation with this situation. So in this case, one can show that, see, AB divided by DE, it is the same as BC divided by EF. Previously, as we have copied AB on the DE, and SC I cut it as the DQ on the two sides, here it is two sides. whenever I will copy this one on this one and this one, you will get AB divided by D, it is same as the BC divided by EF. So for which I am writing here, just like the previous one it was drawn, just like the previous one it was PQ, it was drawn, it is at here. In the same way, whenever I will draw a line, it is at here, so that this length it is same as this length and this length it is same as this length. In that situation one can write, see here I am writing similarly, see AB just like AB by total 1, it is equal to AC by total 1. In the same way I am writing AB by DE total, AB by total 1, it is equal to BC divided by EF. I am taking it as the equation 2. This one it is the equation 1 and this one it is the equation 2. So for which I am writing from 1 and 2, we got, see, AB by DE, see, in middle AB by D it is here and AB by D it is here. So it means this ratio same as this ratio is same as this ratio. It means three ratios are same. X equal to Y and Y is equal to Z. It means X is equal to Y, also it is same as the Z. So for which I am writing AB by D it is same as AC by DF, it is equal to BC divided by EF. Just see, we consider the corresponding angles are same, but we got it as the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. We choose the point 1, but we proved the point 2. So as both the points required to show the similarity, so we can say that the triangles are similar. So we can say that, so the triangle ABC, it is similar to triangle DF. Remember one of the important thing also I am saying, actually it is all about our AA similarity criteria, and according to AA similarity criteria, here I am erasing once again so that you can understand the figure well. See, actually it says if this angle it is same as this angle, this angle it is same as this angle, this angle it is same as this angle, then after the two triangles are similar. Otherwise here I am saying you the another thing. Okay, so it means whenever three of the angles of one triangle it is same as the corresponding three angles of the another triangle, then the two triangles we can call it as the similar, and this criteria it is called as our A similarity criteria. Another thing I am saying which means also AA similarity criteria. See, just see one thing. Without checking for the three angles of the two triangles, also if you are getting this angle it is same as this angle, and if you are getting this angle it is same as this angle, also it means indirectly this angle it is the same as this angle. So it means whenever I will check two angles of a triangle it is same as the corresponding two angles of the another triangle, also automatically three angles of the triangle it will be same as the three angles of the another triangle. So for which no need to check for the three angles of a triangle, because on checking two angles of a triangle, whenever the two angles are same as the two angles of the another triangle corresponding two angles, automatically it means the third angle 100% it will be same as per our angle sum property. So for which only by checking the two also it means that the AAA similarity criteria. So for which after checking two one can say that the name of the criteria it is our angle similarity criteria. By checking two one can say, also by checking three also one can say, and checking three it is also same as the checking two angles, it is same as the two angles of the corresponding angles of the another triangles. Understood or not understood? See, in the second theorem we will prove the criteria 2. Actually in the criteria 2 it was said whenever the corresponding sides of one triangle it is in the ratio with the corresponding three sides of the another triangle, then after it implies the two the corresponding angles are same, and which implies the two triangles are the similar. Actually, in the first criteria, 1 it was given and it was 1 means 2. It was proved. So for which the two triangles are similar. But here it is 2 it is given and we have to show that 2 means 1. Then after the triangles are similar. Important it is whenever the sides are in the proportion with the corresponding sides of the another triangle, so it means we have to show that the corresponding angles are equal. Understood or not understood? See, one of the figure, one of the triangle, its name it is our ABC. Here it is A, this one it is our B, this one it is C. And another triangle I am drawing, its name is C. Its name it is suppose D, this one it is our E, this one it is our F. See, so it means in the first, actually it is given, everyone you just have to see, corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Important thing you have to remember, AB divided by DE, it is same as SC divided by DF, it is same as BC divided by EF, it is given. It is given. Also you have to remember this one, it is one of the equation because it is to be required after the last step, it will be required. Okay, and this one it is given, and to prove see which one it is to be proved. Corresponding angles are same, it means A angle should be same as D angle, B angle it is same as E angle, and C angle it is same as F angle. Okay, so now we will start our proof process. See how we have to prove. See, everyone you just have to see how we have done the previous one. Also we have to follow in the same process. All the proof we have to follow in the same process. So for which, how much the AB, we have to take the point P on it, so that AB it is how much, this DP it is also same, and here we have to choose Q it is one of the point in such a way that DQ it is how much, also AC it is also same. So this one you have to write it in the construction step. Ready? So before we have to prove, so you have to write one of the construction step, that take the point P on DE such that AB it is same as DP. Then after, take Q is a point on the DF such that SC it is our DQ. Understood or not understood? See, everyone you just have to see it perfectly. Always you have to give the emphasis on what it is given. Always from the given you will get many more things. Always you have to target on given. See everyone, given it is given. See, FB by DF it is given SC divided by DF, it is equal to same as BC divided by EF. This one it is given, actually this one it is given. See, this one it is given. It means from this one can write, see, actually we have cut the AB same as this one, so for which AB this side and this side we have done something. So for which I am choosing from this, it means FB divided by DF, FB divided by DF, I can write it as SC divided by DF, this one it is called DE. AB by DE, it is equal to SC divided by DF, because from the 3 ratio I am writing that first one it is second and it is same as the second one. Why? Because first this one it is second, third we did not cut, for which only we are considering the 3. Out of a 3 ratio we are choosing only the 2 ratio. See, one of the change I am doing it as here. Just see one of the changes I want to do at here. Just see, AB it is same as a DP. AB is same as a DP. Why? According to the construction. Because AB it is how much, DP also we have drawn the same. Understood? AB it is how much, DP according to the construction both are same. So for which in place of AB I am writing it as the, see perfectly, DP divided by DE, it is the same as, in place of SC I can write it as the DQ. dq divided by df. After this one, okay. So then after one will say that, sir, why you have chosen just like this? So you will get the clear answer just now. See, dp divided by total one, it is same as this one divided by this one. So whenever one of the line segment divide the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, it means this line segment must be parallel to this one. It means this one I got parallel to this one. Why? Because the ratio are same, it means the line segment it is to be parallel. So it means important point here I am writing. So PQ is parallel to EF. Why PQ it is parallel to EF? According to the converse theorem. Converse of BPT I am writing. Converse of the basic proportionality theorem. Perfectly understood now. See, acha, tell me now, whenever this one parallel, it means this angle it is same as this angle. Corresponding angles are same. See, thereafter this one it is also same as this one. This mark it is same as this mark. This mark it is same as this mark, because both the angles are our corresponding angles. Understood perfectly. See, now I am showing you one thing. See, here it is dp by ef, it is equal to dq by df. Where it has got dp by df, it is equal to dq divided by df. See now this triangle, see, here it is the little triangle, it is there, everyone see it perfectly. Triangle, just see, triangle DPQ. Little triangle you just have to see, and the larger triangle also you have to see. And triangle DPQ and triangle DEF also you just have to see. In both the triangles, see, this triangle, little triangle, also larger triangle. See one thing, D angle it is common for both the triangles. D it is the common angle for DPQ triangle, also it is common for DEF triangle also. So for which this one it is common for both the triangles. Then after, see, this angle it is same as this angle, and this angle it is same as this angle. So can I say it as the little triangle it is similar to the larger triangle? Can I say or not? Can I say it or not? So for which here I am writing triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DF. One side also one can write it as the A similarity criteria, otherwise a triple A similarity criteria. Perfectly understood? See, then after I am saying you one of the important points. See, whenever this smaller one it is similar to the larger one triangle. So can I write just like this? Whenever the two triangles are similar, it means I can call it as the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So for which smaller one triangle DP divided by larger triangle DE, it is equal to DQ divided by DF, it is equal to same as PQ divided by EF. Understood perfectly? Whenever the two triangles are similar, it means their corresponding sides are in the ratio. That one I just wrote. Okay. Now in place of a DP, can I write it as the AB? In place of a DP, can I write it as the AB? Understood or not understood? And in place of a DQ, can I write it for SC? Understood or not understood? See one thing. See, this ratio it is same as this ratio in the given. AB by DE it is same as this one. SC by DF also it is written as SC by DF it is written. See, both the ratio it is same as BC by EF. Here also both the ratio it is same as PQ by EF. PQ by EF, it means from equation, suppose one, this one it is about equation 2. Listen, from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, see, it means suppose this one it is 5, this one 5 means 100% this one it is 5, and this one 5 means 100%, this one it is 5. So from 1 and 2 I am writing BC by EF, it is same as PQ divided by EF, because two things both are equal to which one? 100%, both are equal to which one? Both the two things are same. See, here both the fractions are same. See, fraction, here it is denominators are also same. So 100% numerator will be same. 100% the numerator will be same. So here I am writing, so BC it is same as PQ. BC is same as PQ. See, BC is same as PQ. It means, see, BC it is same as PQ. It means BC means this one. It is same as this one. Previously in the construction we choose this one. It is same as this one. Then after this one it is same as this one. Then after we got this one, it is same as this one. It means this little triangle and this little triangle, in both the triangles all the sides are same. All the sides of this triangle it is same as all the sides of this corresponding sides of this triangle. It means this triangle it is congruent to this triangle according to SSS congruence criteria. See, here I am writing. See, triangle. Otherwise here I am writing. See, triangle ABC, it is congruent to triangle DPQ according to which criteria? SSS congruent criteria. According to side, each side it is same as the corresponding side of this triangle. So for which, as the two triangles are congruent, so can I say this angle it is the same as this angle, and this angle it is the same as this angle. According to CPCT, this angle it is same as this angle, this angle it is same as this angle. Then after also this angle it is same as this angle. See, previously this angle now it is same as this angle, but previously this angle it is same as this angle. So now this angle it is same as this angle. Then after see, previously this one it was same as this one. Now this one it is same as this one. So it means indirectly this one. Suppose this one it is 2. So this one it is 2. And now in the congruence criteria we got it as the 3 angle. It is same as 3 angle. So it means now we have already got A angle it is equal to D angle, B angle equal to E angle, and C angle it is equal to F angle. So the two triangles are similar. Here it is no sufficient space to write. Otherwise directly writing A angle it is equal to D angle, B angle it is equal to E angle, and C angle it is equal to F angle according to CPCT. So the two triangles are similar. Proved. Okay. Actually many more things I omitted because no sufficient space it is with me. So whatever the thing I have said, many of the things, that one you just have to write in your copy. Understood or not understood? So today the discussion it is this much on regarding our second criteria. Next one it is to be proved our third similarity criteria, how we have to prove it. Okay. See, now we will step forward to prove the third criteria of the triangle similarity. Actually the third criteria of the triangle similarity, it says, just see everyone perfectly. In the picture I want to show you everything. Actually it means the name of the criteria, it is called as our SAS similarity criteria. SAS similarity criteria says, see, suppose the triangle name it is ABC, and here it is the name of the triangle, it is suppose DEF. It says this angle is same as this angle. One of the angle it is same as one of the angle, corresponding angle of the another triangles. Then its including sides. Including side means this one and this one both are including side. Here it is this one, both are the including sides. So here it is given that one of the angle it is same as the one of the angle of the another triangle, and the including side of this angle, including side of this angle, and including side of this angle, both are in proportion. Otherwise both are in the same ratio. Then after you just have to show it as the two triangles are similar. So it means in the given what it is written, I am writing, just see. In the given it is given A angle it is equal to D angle. One of the angle it is same. Corresponding side AB divided by DE it is same as SC divided by DF. So this one it is same, and here it is this ratio, it is same as this ratio. Understood? And to prove, see, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. See how we have to prove. See, I have already said that the procedure you just have to follow the same in each and every case. See, here also you have to do in the same way. Here you have to choose one point P, and here you have to choose one of the point, it is Q, and both the points you have to choose in such a way. This one it is same as this one, and here it is this one, it is same as this one. Understood or not understood? And another thing you just have to remember, always this one it must be less than this side. Always AB by DE and SC by DF, always it will be less than 1. Always you have to consider in all the cases these triangle sides must be same as these triangle sides. Otherwise one can first draw the smaller side having the triangle, then after the larger side having the triangle. Okay? And here it is, in the proof you just have to remember. See how we have to proceed. Just see, directly I will write, but you have to try to understand. This side and this little triangle and this little triangle, you just have to see. In both the triangles, see, see, this side it is same as this side is same as this side, it means this angle it is same as this angle. So for which I can write it directly. See, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEQ. According to which criteria? AS congruent criteria. Perfectly understood? Up to this perfectly understood? See, now I am showing you something. See, now this angle it is same as this angle, and this angle triple line I am giving. So this angle it is same as this angle according to CPCT. See, previously it was given. See, in the given it was here it is given in the given line AB by DE it is same as SC by DF. This one it is given already. So in place of AB I can write it as the DP. How? Because of the construction. In the construction I choose AB it is how much, DP is also that much. So for which in place of AB I am writing it as the DP divided by DE it is same as DQ divided by DF. Now I got this one. See, now I got this one divided by total 1, it is equal to this one divided by total 1. So it means whenever the two sides of a triangle it is divided by one of the line segment it into same ratio, it implies PQ it is parallel to EF. PQ it is parallel to EF. Why? Because of converse of the BPT. Converse of the basic proportionality theorem says if any of the line segment divides the two sides of a triangle it into same ratio. Same ratio means this one divided by this one it is equal to this one divided by this one. Then after we can say that line segment must be parallel to the third side of the triangle. So for which PQ line segment parallel to the EF. See why I have shown it as this one it is parallel. See, whenever this one it is parallel to this one, see, so it means this angle it must be same as this angle, corresponding angles, and this angle it must be same as this angle. See, previously I have shown this one it is same as this one. Now I got this one it is same as this one. It means this angle it is how much, this angle also that much. Previously I have shown this angle it is same as this angle. It means suppose this one it is 2, this one it is 2. But now I have shown after this one parallel corresponding angle, this one 2 means this one it will be 2. So here it is given, here it was given this angle, it was same as this angle. Now I got this angle, it is same as this angle, this angle it is same as this angle. Whatever the thing I have said, all these things you have to write. Okay. So as here it is corresponding angles of the both the triangles are same. So directly you have to write. So triangle ABC, it is similar to triangle DEF. Why? According to which criteria? AAA similarity criteria. AAA similarity criteria means first theorem. It means according to our first theorem, it was already said whenever three angles of a triangle it is same as the three angles of the corresponding three angles of the another triangle, then after both the triangles are similar. So for which here I have already shown that the three angles it is same as the three angles. So for which we can say that the both the triangles are similar, and on regarding this theorem 1 it was proved. So for which one can write it directly according to a similarity criteria, both the triangles are similar. I hope all the theorems are easy for you. You have to keep practicing, and out of a 3, 1 may come in the exam. You have to keep preparing yourself in that manner. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.